I won the last elections by over 800 votes. The results were manipulated. The declaration forms. Actually, I've learned a lesson for the 9 years. Next time you have two candidates, you sponsor a third candidate. It's very risky to have two candidates because all my agents signed the declaration forms and handed over to my opponent. So they were just filling the figures from home. So if there were three candidates, it would become difficult to get all the agents. So some of my agents, 6 of them got 1.2 million each and signed the TR form. So those people just filled whatever results they needed. I should have sponsored another candidate who would not conduct any rally, but for purpose of looking for the declaration form. So they aged me out. So I've learned a lesson. I'm waiting for the Gazette. I've heard the Gazette is coming on Tuesday. Then immediately I want to file the first election petition on the ground that I was denied mandatory recount. Mandatory means mandatory. It means do it. Going on one ground, unfortunately, it will call for re-election. I cannot ask God to declare me the winner. So I need to start jogging. We may have re-election when we dispose of in High Court. I know they will go to Court of Appeal just to continue getting parliamentary income. But they can run, but cannot hide. They will only delay me. They will not stop. But the biggest thing to me is I was fought by the Balalo. The DPCs, the Balalo, the RPCs, the Balalo, the prisons commanders, the Balalo, the RDCs, the Balalo cattle keepers were distributing money to ensure I go out in parliament. Now they have made a very big mistake because the only way to exclude me is to include me.